Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here on a quick video on how to download Assassin's Creed Identity for free. So before I start the video, I want to clear off a few things. First, this video is only for Android users, because as far as I know, iOS users they cannot download bypass or APK files using their web browser. So sorry iOS users. And the second thing is you can trust this website, because I have downloaded the game and played it for 2 weeks and I found no problem. No lacking in my phone's performance, no dropping in performance, or any kind of hazards. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is what you get when you search for Assassin's Creed Identity in the Play Store, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. It costs money, you need to buy the game. It costs around 150 BDT here in Bangladesh and $3.99 internationally, and the price may change over time. So first you need to start off with Chrome. Go to Chrome and search for Assassin's Creed Identity APK free download. There will be a bunch of websites, but I'm using the one which you will find in the description below. So better if you go to the description and click the website. So after pressing the website, this is what you get. Click download APK and another website will appear. Scroll down, there will be another download section. Press that. And your file should start downloading. To check whether it's working or not, you can just simply go to downloads and check whether the app is downloading or not, and it will take around 10 to 15 minutes or more depending on the connection of your internet. And after the installation, you have to click on the app and hopefully you will get something like this. Click install and you will be able to see your app on the home screen. Once you open the app, there will be a very big installation of the game resources and data, which will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes or more depending on the performance of your phone as well as the internet connection. And once that's done, you can just create your assassin and you can start playing the game. And this is basically a footage of me playing the game, and I really enjoyed it. It actually feels great to take a break from all the battle royale games out there and play something strategic that is related to history. I really love the game, especially the animation, the story and everything. So that's how you can download Assassin's Creed Identity for free. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and found it helpful. And even after following all the steps and watching the video, if you have any questions or inquiries, then just leave a comment. And I will try my best to reply in the shortest time possible. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.